Welcome back to Recreational Garage. We're going to be moving from the front end back to the back end this week. We finally have the bends we need to work on the upper control arm area again. So we're going to start modifying these bends, try to get them to fit into place, start getting, see if we can get those cut down and then tack welded in so we can really cycle the rear suspension and make sure that it looks good. Anyway, let's get to it, see what we can get done. made some decent progress. Didn't get out into the garage as much as I'd hoped this week, but we did make great progress on this rear suspension piece that we've been waiting on for quite a while. I got these bends and cut them down, ground them down a bunch, getting them close to fitting. They're looking really good. I held them up under there. It's kind of hard to get that on camera, but held them up under there and they looked good. So next bit's going to be just do a bunch of measurements before I tack weld them in. Just make sure everything is in line and everything looks good, and then we'll tack them to the other bar and everything that we're doing there. So anyway, making great progress, still pushing forward. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.